Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can install NetBeans and configure it for PHP debugging. NetBeans is a tool primarily used for Java development, but it could be professionally used for PHP development as well. To use NetBeans, you need to install also Java JDK as well. After download, go through the installation wizard. In my case, for presentation purpose, I will install basic version with PHP only, without Java development modules. It's time to start. For a new project, click on the New Project icon and choose PHP application with existing source. My code source is the default XAMPP directory. As you can see, in the moment of making this video, the latest version does not support PHP 8, so I will choose 7.4. Project URL should be localhost, as this is a locally hosted application. I will check if my default page is working. Everything is fine. I want to replace the code which is showing XAMPP dashboard to simple code which shows us some message. The advantage of using IDEs is that those provide us helpers for typing. They will offer you all PHP constants, your own variables if you define some in the previous lines. As well, they will recognize all the classes you have, etc. It will decrease chances of typing errors and will increase your productivity. To see those helpers, you need to type command and space or control and space. Now I want to show you how you could debug your application. I don't have Xdebug configured yet. Just want to start a debug session and see what's gonna happen. I got a message that I don't have Xdebug, which is expected. In the message, I see that NetBeans expects all format of configuration, so Xdebug 3 has changed the way how we configure debugger, so I have to use a version compatible with NetBeans. With a version Xdebug 3 or newer, the configuration has been changed, so I have to use a version compatible with the NetBeans. So I will use the latest version, Xdebug 2. After establishing that I don't have Xdebug DLL, I will download the latest Xdebug 2 version. How you can know which one? You have to check PHP extension build value in your PHP info. The last version is 2.9.8. Copy the DLL into your extension directory. I will rename mine to xdebug.dll. The name itself isn't important, and shortened file name is easier to handle. Add the following configuration into your PHP ini file to load the configuration. Afterwards, restart the server in order to changes take place. In PHP info, it's now visible that Xdebug was loaded. All the configuration matches the expectation of NetBeans, host and debugging port, so I will just give it a try. We stopped at the first line, which is good. Now I will create a dummy function to show you how to walk with the debugger. There are two ways: step over and step into. Step over will skip going into deep levels and show you the results in line where you are located. However, step into would lead you into functions where you could debug code in deep. Let's have a look. That's all. Thanks for watching, and I hope it was helpful.